Hi, here's a short introduction to the readings for Tuesday, November 7th. I want to begin by asking you to consider the fact that in July of 2017, scientists announced that the average concentration of carbon dioxide across the globe was 407 parts per million. 407 parts per million. We've known for a long time, or scientists have told us for a long time, that we've got a ceiling of about 450 parts per million of carbon dioxide if we want to keep global temperatures lower than 2 degrees Celsius increase from pre-industrial era. We're closing in on that pretty rapidly. The average annual increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide is 2 parts per million, greater than 2 parts per million. That means we've got less than 20 years before we get to the point of 450 parts per million, and everything that I see looks like we're going to bust right through that barrier, and that's gonna mean we're in completely uncharted territory. So I want to give that as a little bit of a sense of, there's a sense of urgency here. And at the same time, there's a sense of urgency about the actions we take. There's all kinds of reasons to be hopeful. And the readings for Tuesday really focus in on that by taking advantage of an idea called biomimicry. And biomimicry we touched a little bit on earlier in the semester, and now I want you to read Chapter 7 from Jane Bemis's really important and influential book. In Chapter 7, she identifies 3 kinds of, or what she calls 3 types of organisms. I'd like you to come to class ready to discuss what are these 3 types, what are the characteristics of each type, and give an example, couple of organisms for each of the types of each of these types. So what are the 3 types? What are their characteristics? And give some example organisms for each. And then below the Bemis reading, Chapter 7, there's a link to a website that's got some pictures of really innovative design ideas that grow from biomimicry. So take a look at the images, and we'll discuss these on Tuesday. Look forward to seeing you then. Bye.